Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the design pattern, right? So today we'll be discussing about the decorator pattern. So now let's discuss the design pattern here. Let's get into the definition part here. The decorator pattern allows behavior to be added to an object dynamically, right? So behavior to be added to an object dynamically without modifying its structure, right? So simple, very simple. In Python, decorators, this one, are commonly used to wrap functions to modify their behavior at runtime, right? Now let's get into the this one. What do we call example part? So we are done with the definition as well as the important points part. Let's get into the example part basically, right? So I'll just go with a very simple example. Decorator pattern is basically very simple because it what it does basically, it allows behavior to be added to the object dynamically. That's it. So without modifying its structure. That's all it does, right? So let me go with here def. Let me go with a decorator function. So let me go with the decorator function here. Let me pass the function. So I'll just go with the method wrapper here, wrapper function. Mm, Now let's print something for the interactiveness. So I'll just go with a print here. I'll just go with before function call. This is fine, before function call. So I'll just go with func here. This is fine as well. Let's print one more thing here. Print after function after function call. So this is fine. Let me go with let's return something. I'll just go with the return wrapper. So this is fine, man. I'll let's make use of the decorator here. I'll just go with decorator underscore function. So this is fine. Let me go with a function, one more function here, greet. So within this, let's print something for the interactiveness. So I'll just go with print hello Bharadwaj here. This is fine. Yep. So let me call the greet function here. Right. So we are done with the code. This is it for the decorator pattern. Right. So when I run the code, I have to get the output before function call first. This one. Right. So after that, I need to get the this one. Hello Bharadwaj. Then after function call. Right. So let's see. Let's see. So I'll just give here Python. Let me copy the file name here. Just give me a second. So let me paste it over here dot py. So yeah, we are getting the output before function call, hello Bharadwaj, after function call. So this works absolutely correct, right? So this works absolutely correct. So basically, what does the decorator do here? The decorator, this one decorator function, whatever I have given at the rate of decorator underscore function, this decorator basically, it wraps the greet function, this one, it wraps the greet function to add the logic before and after it runs. Before and after it runs. Very simple, right? So we are done with the decorator pattern, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. So decorator is very powerful and flexible pattern for modifying or extending the behavior without changing the original code, right? So we are done with the decorator pattern. Next we'll be discussing about the adapter pattern, right? For now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.